Anyways, look at this. Nice clean wood. We just finished up. Got 2 planks. See, 1, 2. Nice. They're about 1 inch thick. Looks like the mill works pretty good. Table's still standing, so for something that I just kind of tossed together. But as you can see, my trees aren't that big. You know, maybe some are 4-inch diameter, but bigger ones that I'm going after are these ugly balsams. They're, you know, on their last legs in here. Are pretty dense, really dense in here. I got some really nice timbers in here though. So we're just gonna go in, space it around, and get rid of some of the bigger stuff that we can use for timber and clean it up in here. But you can see they're really tall, 60, 70 feet, some of them. But so, anyways, looks like the sun's poking out. Looks nice. Back in here. Well, I got some more to cut up, so maybe I'll set the camera up somewhere where we can capture some of the action. All right.